focus to another round of breaking update that is now coming in. What we are learning, this is the Me Too storm that hit the Kerala film industry. And in the breaking update, we are learning that the left MLA, the SIT which is recorded, the arrest of the left MLA Mukesh in the alleged cases of sexual assault that has been filed against him. But he will be let free since the Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court granted him anticipatory bail earlier. He was arrested following 3-hour interrogation by the SIT and he is now been taken for medical examination. And he was accompanied by his lawyers. So let me go across to Jayalakshmi. Jayalakshmi, just put it in context. He did get anticipatory bail, but he was also arrested. How do we understand?
Yes, now this is a very special case here because actor Mukesh had already been granted the anticipatory bail by the Ernakulam Principal Sessions Court. The SIT won't be taking him into the jail. That is what we understand, that after the interrogation, after the questioning, the special investigation team has as per the procedure, has recorded MLA's arrest on papers, but because he has already been granted bail, he won't be taken into jail is what we understand. So what is the next step is that something that we are also waiting from the special investigation team. They will explain us, but as of now this case where actor and CPIM MLA Mukesh, he was charged for sexual assault case by an actress, young actress from Ernakulam. She had said that he had tried to sexually abuse her inside a hotel room in exchange for favors in the film industry, position and lead role in the film industry. This was the charge against him, and the
granted from arrest by the court, Jayalakshmi?
What we understand is now, as far as the bail is extended, now the anticipatory bail has been granted. So as far as the bail is there in place, he will definitely be not arrested or taken to jail is what we know. But what is the next step is what the SIT should clarify, in fact. And till now the SIT has not come out and given an official confirmation on that. But what we know is that Mukesh was interrogated for 3 hours. The interrogation began around 10 a.m. and it lasted and it ended till after 1:30 p.m. So it was a long investigation, and the SIT has realized, in fact the SIT has enough evidence to record an arrest. That is the reason the arrest was recorded on paper in the first place is what we understand.
Move would be that he is likely to walk out as far as the court there granting him anticipatory bail. Thank you very much, Jayalakshmi. Keep us updated on the developments that take place. We are going to head into a very short break, but do not go anywhere. Very interesting exclusive conversation coming up next with the astrophysicist Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. This is Frankly Speaking with Navika Kumar coming up after a very short break. Don't go anywhere.